take to realize what's going on. How many years have gone by?
I forgot to add these, like, for Dollar Tree, you know? Oh, gosh.
Oh, look at that.
Mom, hold this please so I can film this. This is pretty. Even these are pretty. All these are
Let's see those. Hey, dude, you do
No, stop.
That's what's gonna happen.
Oh, I like this one. That's pretty.
I mean that one. And look, look. You're gonna silence us out, right? You're gonna silence us out?
No.
What? You said you're gonna celebrate Easter last year. Oh, more jars.
Alright, guys. I'm doing something different. Just started decorating for Valentine's Day already. Yeah. I'm those people. So all this I got from the Dollar Tree, including this bag. Look how cute. They had a whole bunch of cute ones. Because Wednesdays go out and they go like that. So I took advantage. So all this stuff is from Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you what I got. Alright, let's see. So this is the first one I got right here. It's like one of the wood signs. Really thin wood. So look at how pretty. It says love. So pretty. And then another sign. They have a lot of cute signs. Happy Valentine's Day with the bike. Also a thin one. I got this one. It's a cute truck. And then look at all the goodies in there. Look at. Okay, let's take these out. I made my own little like floral thing. Oh, this is not from the Dollar Tree. Okay. Look at it. Okay, so okay, let's move this out of the way. This is also love each moment. Oh, so pretty. And I also got one of these for my 3-tier follow your heart. Got some socks. for my daughter and myself. How cute, just to have, like, you know, around the house. And they're actually pretty thick. They're not thin. I got some kitchen towels. I never actually used them from the Dollar Tree before, but they feel nice. Like, they'll dry your hands, actually. Got those two. I got some more of these, like, to put in vases. And then I got this. Separate. Of course, this is separate. The flowers are separate. This is separate for my 3-tier that I'm going to show you guys once I decorate it. And then I got these flowers as well to decorate. I'm not like a big old decor. Like, I'm not creative at decorating, but I'm doing what I can. And it's my daughter's birthday, Valentine's Day, so gotta go all out here. Oh my gosh. So I'll go something like that. It's cute, cute. So that's it. Oh, and then I got this. It doesn't fit in the bag, but I also got this heart. So cute, huh? All right, I'm gonna decorate my front living room and my little coffee stand, and then I'll show you guys what I got from Target Dollar Spot. My Target doesn't have a lot, which sucks. Like, they only bring a few and then they sell out fast. So I've been going like every day on my vacation. So watch, I'll be right back. Decorated for Valentine's Day. There's another sign I got from the Dollar Tree. Just did a command strip. Got that last year. Just simple garland right there. And then I created this just from the Dollar Tree stuff. These are from the Dollar Tree. Those little rocks are from the Dollar Tree, and the vase is from the Dollar Tree. How cute is that? And these I got them at Party City last year for photo props. And then I got this cute little candle from Walmart. I just put it right there to add color, or not color thing. Still need to fix my lights right there. Why did they do that? That's crazy. I got that. Happy Valentine's Day. Shh. Shh. I'm filming. I got the Happy Valentine's Day from Walmart. And I got this one from the Dollar Tree. How cute. Alright. This one is from Walmart. This one right here is from the Dollar Tree. Separate. I created it myself. But the flowers separate and this little cute box separate. This one right here is from the Walmart. Like $7. And then this one right here, this container right here, is from Dollar Tree. And there is my wall from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. And this love story and this letter thing are from Target Dollar Spot. I think they're $3 each. But I noticed that it cuts off like the heads or the top of the pictures, see? So I just ordered some bigger prints. So it just has our pictures. And it says love story. Love that one. See, hubby's too tall. It cuts off his head. See? I told him, he's like, that's alright. Okay, whatever. And then this one, just like you can write notes. I told the kids and the husband to write a love note, so they're gonna do that. And up there, Dollar Tree. So there is my wall. Cute. Okay, and then welcome to my coffee bar. I thought these are so cute. I mainly got everything from the Target Dollar Spot. So they were like $5, $3, or $1. So let's get through these. So this is the one of them, I think it was, let me see, this one's $3, it's right there, and it's not focusing. There you go. $3 for the jar. I got this one and the one with the heart, but I have the other one in my bedroom for beauty blenders. My friend Ariana posted that, so I just did the same thing. But look at, I did some kisses in there. See how long those last in the kitchen. So we got that. I got this one from the Target dollar spot as well. Comes with 2-pack, and I believe these were $5. This one and these were $5 as well. Let me try to focus. Okay, camera, focus please. Okay, it says you're my favorite, and it has a heart, and then it has love you a latte. So those are both coffee mugs. I actually got this cute Hershey timer at Hobby Lobby. Love Hobby Lobby. I wish we had one here local. Let's put that one over there. Okay. I got this one was a 2-pack. It was actually $3 at the Target spot, dollar spot. I just added sugar and some sprinkles. I don't put sprinkles and sugar in my coffee because the creamer already has sugar. I just added it for decoration. So I'm gonna take that one out because I want to show you the tray. Got these. I got some for my brushes too. I got these two at the dollar spot, which they were $1 at Target. I got a pack of straws just for decoration, so maybe I can stir the coffee for $1. And of course my cups. I love this donut shop one. And then I got this tray at the dollar spot Target, which was $5 or $7. I don't remember. One of those. But yes, this is my little coffee bar setup. That was so cute. And then it matches my new Keurig that I got on Black Friday. But this is so cute. Look at that. Oh. Hershey. I'm still on a hunt finding more stuff from the Target dollar spot. Because I've seen so many videos and everybody's showing like their hauls, Target hauls. Their Targets are already like full blast Valentines. Mine is like very little by little and I get lucky. So on vacation I've been going like every day looking for stuff. So I'm gonna keep going every day. But yeah, this is it. And then my Nest Hub that we got for Christmas. But that is it. Oh, and let me show you my 3-tier. And now for my 3-tier, which I got this 3-tier at Hobby Lobby for like 50% off last year. I think it's a little crooked, but oh well. I've been wanting a 3-tier for a long time, so I've been decorating it for every holiday. I also got my Valentine table cover. I love these table covers from Walmart, like $4 because I have a marble table and it's so cold and hard to keep it clean. So I cover it. Anyway, so this is what my 3-tier looks like for Valentine's Day. I actually got everything on here from the Dollar Tree except for the lights. I got those at Walmart. Those are the heart-shaped ones that I showed you guys earlier. But let me see, let me try off the light. So that's what they look like when it's dark. Just flickering. Flickering. You still the Happy New Year hat. So I added a few things. Running to Walmart real fast. I saw this. What is this thing called? Tinsel doorway thingamajig? I don't even know. But this tinsel thing has adhesive on top. I thought it was so cute because I don't have a door right here going to my kitchen from the front living room. And then, well, I added bigger pictures for the love story because the other ones were too small, and then I added the small ones right here, some of them, for the love notes. But I think the bigger pictures look better for the love story. I think so. You can see them better. And then on this window, I added the pom-pom garland that I got at Walmart. I gotta look at the prices again. But that was so cute because this window looked too plain. And then I added this one, which is so pretty. They're just like the conversation hearts. BFF, XOX, yeah, love, cool, be mine. And then it goes repeat, repeat. And then I fixed my lights. Now they're even on both sides. Because I added the, what do you call it? Extension cord. But yeah, that's it. Huh. That's it? You're my shadow? Are you my shadow? But that is it. That's all my Valentine decorations. I love it. I am obsessed with everything. So pretty. But yep. I love it. Like, especially that thing right there. I'm obsessed. Anyways, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna do more videos like that. I think I'm gonna do one for Easter too, because they already brought the Easter stuff for the Dollar Tree. I know it's too early, but you better get those while you can, because they're going to sell out. Trust me, they will.